Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas wreath. Christmas wreath out of ornaments, and a wreath out of Christmas ornaments. So keep watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. This wreath makes a great gift, and you can make it yourself with mostly all items from the dollar store. Okay, so let's start making this Christmas wreath. To make this wreath, you're going to need a glue gun, a coat hanger, a lot of ornaments, some thyme, maybe some ribbon, and any other decorations you'd like to include. I got all of the decorations from the dollar store. It's important that you glue the tops of the ornaments on, because otherwise, as the weight of them starts to build up on the frame, they will start to pop off all over the place. So make sure you take the tops off and glue them back on, and that will stop the wreath from falling apart as you build it. I learned that the hard way. So you just want to work the ornaments around the wreath and keep building them up and alternate smaller and big ones to fill in the gaps so that you don't have any wire showing. To close the wreath, you're going to want to attach the coat hanger back together and bend the wire around so that it makes a little hook so that it can't be undone and it can't fall apart. Then you just want to bend the hook part into a loop so you can attach a bow and some ribbon to hang it up. Okay, so the best way that I have found is you can just attach a piece of ribbon to the top of the coat hanger and then you can hang it up. So I think I'm going to hang it up just over on my door. Okay, so that was my video on how to make a Christmas wreath out of Christmas ornaments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you follow this tutorial, make sure you tag me so that I can see what colors and how it turned out. This is a great gift to give someone and an easy craft to do at home to kill off a snowy day. Alright, well, have a nice day. And I'll see you for another video next time. Bye!